Hey guys, simple reminder. I know we brush these things every single day. We see them when we smile, but one thing that we don't see, and it actually takes care of our nervous system, which runs and animates and adapts our body to the world and the universe, is our spinal nervous system. And so I want to quickly go over this with you guys today. Remember, that brain controls everything. It sends information down the spinal cord, in that spine, and out those little nerve holes. In between each of these bones is a disc. It's like a big fat cushion. The fatter that cushion, the bigger the space is for those nerves to come out. The nerves, as we know, they go to our arms, our shoulders, our legs, our feet, but they also go to our organs and our immune system. Our spine, when it's in its proper position, which is a curve in the neck, a curve in the back, and a curve in the lower back, pelvis level and spine straight, when it's in the normal position, it surrounds, it protects the delicate spinal nerves. Life happens. Thoughts, traumas, and toxins, we call them the 3 T's, whether it be sniffing a cell phone or a computer, whether it be crossing your legs and sitting at a desk or hunching over a computer. All of these shift the spine out of its alignment, irritating and decreasing the mobility and the actual location of those spinal bones compared to the nerves. That's called subluxation. That interferes with that communication of that brain talking to wherever that spinal nerve goes to. We start seeing dysfunction and eventually disease. Our job as a chiropractor is through the assessment, both x-rays, our hands, some tests, we're able to see, is that spine where it belongs? Is that brain communicating properly? And then gently, using these bones as levers and buttons, take some of that stress off that central nervous system, restore proper motion to the spine, and then ultimately, we don't heal you. You heal you by allowing that brain and nervous system to actually function like it's supposed to. I hope that helps. This week, remember your spine, take care of it. It's even more important than your teeth.